Hey guys, this is Alicia with WTI, and if you are doing any automotive repair on an older model vehicle, you may come across the need to replace Cork gaskets. And I want to show you the material that we used for that and for other projects as well. So this is from Allison, and this is a Cork gasket material, and it comes in a roll, and this roll is 12 inches by 36 inches. And what's nice about this is it is nice and smooth Cork material. It rolls out pretty easily. It is also super thin. So this is a 1/16 inch Cork. So it is perfect for replacing those little gaskets. So we actually use this to create a barrier between a metal battery holder in a truck and the battery itself, just to prevent it from banging around, and this offered a little bit of protection. So we cut it out using a laser cutter, and it worked really well. So if you are looking for Cork gasket material for a variety of different projects, then I would definitely check out this one from Allison, and that's my point of view.